glad to see that you can be on time for something.
How you gonna drag me down here and you late?
We'll see. As soon as this mediator comes in.
You ain't got it together.
Yeah, I do.
You think
I
you
have
got
it together.
Hi. Hello. How
How
are
you
you all
doing?
doing?
Hello.
Hi. Okay.
Jonathan is a fool. That's what Jonathan is. And you know what? Sometimes I look and I try to figure out, how did you ever get involved with this guy? But when I look at that little girl, I'm like, if it wasn't for that nut, I wouldn't have this beautiful thing in front of me. But Jonathan, honey, he's a mess.
So, Lina?
Yes.
Okay, you brought this case. So, what's going on?
Well, what's going on is I have a 4-year-old beautiful daughter.
Okay.
Jolina. She's so beautiful. I wish I could have brought her. Maybe seeing her would make him do what he's supposed to do. But anyway, my daughter's 4 years old, and I'm living in a motel because I can't get my situation together. You know, with a kid who has childcare all the time. And then I lost my job because I didn't have childcare, and someone won't help me. So I'm
Where were you working?
I was working for J.C. Penney's in the salon.
Okay.
I'm trying to get the money for the child support, and it'll help me stay on my feet as opposed to, you know, going up and down. Things change, your hours change, and when you have things that change like that, you can't stay on track with a small kid.
Okay. Okay. And where is the hotel, motel, wherever you're living right now? Where's it located?
It's off from downtown, just a little bit east of downtown.
Okay. Okay.
In the hood.
Whatever. You always brag about making this $38,000, but you live with your mama. He don't even pay rent, so why you can't pay child support?
What? You must be losing. You take your medicine.
Oh, you gonna play that game?
Yeah.
Can we just get on with this?
Okay. Yes, we can. So,
Yes.
your concern is that...
I want my baby
Okay.
You ain't getting your baby.
to get out the rat-infested hotel.
If
You ought
you
to be
pay your
ashamed.
child support, we could get out.
Just give me the baby.
No.
That's all you got to do is give me the baby.
Can we move on with this? Because apparently somebody has lost
Where my
their
baby at
mind.
now?
Okay. Well, first of all, in order for you guys to come to an agreement, you have to respect each other, which means that you have to watch tones, voice levels, all that kind of good stuff. It makes it more
Okay, well, I'll
difficult to
calm down a
even
little
come
bit.
to an agreement.
And this don't.
Okay? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you okay, sir?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm okay.
But
So
you
I'll
called me
be okay
bipolar.
when I get my baby.
Okay, so let's start working here in terms of who the child is going to live with.
Me.
So you want the child to live with you? You want the child to live with you?
Oh, she will definitely live with me.
Okay, and neither one of you are budging on that, right?
No.
What?
I'm a better fit. Who wants
How
to
you
take
gonna
their
be a
child from
better
their
fit
mother?
staying in a motel room?
If you pay your child support, I wouldn't have to stay in a motel
If you
room.
get a baby to me, get on your feet.
Well, I will say this. If you all were to go to court, a judge could look at that from both ways. I mean,
But I'm
although she
helping her.
I understand, but although she lives in a hotel, a judge wouldn't necessarily take the child away from her because she is providing a roof over a child's head. And a court could also look at it as though, you know, she could probably have a better living arrangement if she were receiving child support. And on the other hand, the judge could look at it like you need to be working.
Yes.
And you know, you could speed the process along in terms of being able to provide for the child and having child support in addition to, and not just solely dependent on it. So if you guys can come to an agreement, that only works best for the child. I mean, you know, if let's say the child did stay with her primarily, would you agree? Because she's 4 years old. Is she in daycare? She's in school. She's not in school yet.
Daycare.
Okay.
And she's not in school by law, but I teach her, you know, from books over at the hotel that I have.
Okay. What's your work schedule?
I'm a store manager,
Okay.
so I don't tell them what time I go.
Okay. So it couldn't be in a situation where you guys actually split custody or whatever?
But see, I could be with the child.
Okay.
And I wouldn't have a problem with that. But did you just hear how he said he's a store manager? How can he manage everything but this situation?
And the court will take
I
into
can manage
consideration
with my baby.
that-
I bet I manage that.
Your
Okay.
mama would have my baby. And I
She-
don't want your mama just to have my baby.
Okay. So, with that being said,
If you come out them clubs,
He lying. I don't even go to the clubs anymore.
no judgment passed here.
me.
So my question is, can you all agree on who the child will live with?
Me, I done
Oh,
told
the
her.
baby's staying with me.
Okay, so
You all there till we go to court. Stay
so
hard here.
what it sounds like is that I'm going to have to call what is known as an impasse. That means that we're not going to get anywhere today in this mediation. So I'll have to inform the court that you guys did not settle in mediation, and you'll have to get on the court schedule to go before the judge and have a trial and let the court determine who they want the child to live with.
Do you know how long that takes?
I mean, it could take a long time. It
You sweating up in there, man.
could, but I mean, if you guys aren't willing to do anything in mediation, I can't move to the next step. So
Why don't you just agree to this and let the baby stay with me? Look, if I get
If I
the
keep that
child
baby,
support,
if I
listen
had-
to me for just a moment. That's one of the issues you never want to hear me. If you give me the child support, I can get a job, she can go to child care, and then I can pay rent. The daycare will be paid for with the child support. You're not giving me anything. It's just support for I can get a job.
I'm telling you, all you gotta do is give me the baby.
I'm not giving you my child, so it looks like we're just gonna have to go to court.
okay.
Lina, she's very irresponsible. She can't keep a job. She's homeless. Stays in the hotel with my baby. I want my baby back.
So, what I'll do, I'm going to go ahead and exit the room, and I have an agreement that you all will sign that pretty much says that you can't come to an agreement today and that your case will be referred to court, okay?
Do you see how this is gonna take so much longer? Why
No.
can't you just agree with
I'm
me?
gonna tell you what's gonna happen. You know what's gonna happen?
What?
There's gonna be an Amber Alert.
You are not gonna take my baby.
There's gonna be an Amber Alert.
I won't let you see her before you do something crazy.
Right then. She'll be on the news with me.
No, she won't. Why would you say something like that?
I would
Why
take
are
my
you
baby
so
one way
mean?
or another. One way or another, I would get my child.
Okay, so I'll start here. Since you are the petitioner, you'll just sign that, pretty much saying that you guys couldn't come to an agreement today and that you're agreeing to take your case to court.
This is so stupid.
Okay, and you all have a great day and good luck with everything in court.
This is crazy. You know what? You just are full of crap. You make all this money, you say 38,000. That's all you want to talk about.
Leave that baby in the car if you want to.
Well,
Leave that
living
baby in
with
the
your
car.
mama, you don't even pay rent. Why can't you pay child support?
Leave that baby in that car. She probably in the car now by herself.